Welcome back to our channel. I want to show you how to remove background from any image, and this website we are using is absolutely free. All you need to do is you open your Google Chrome browser, then you type remove.bg. remove.bg. It takes you can see it, remove background from image for free. It takes you to the page. We are now on the page. Remove BG. It will absolutely remove your background automatically. Now click the upload image. You click the upload image. You go to browse and you pick whatever picture you wanna use. So it's processing while it has actually removed the background. You can see it. All you need to do is you can save it as full HD. Full HD. Get this image for free. You sign up because we want to get it as full HD. So you sign up using your, if you want it normal image, that one does not require all this process. So it's saving now. Yes, that being said, as HD. So you type in the name. Don't want to save it. Yeah, right now saved. So that is that. Thank you for watching.